abuse signs. Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Abuse signs. You know, they don't respect you. They micromanage you. They tell you you are crazy. They jokingly hurting you. You're isolated from others. They're saying, the harsh truth. They're so rude. They feel sorry for themselves. Your secrets are used against you. They're putting down your loved ones. You know, they feel entitled, and they, put their needs first. They ignore when you are saying something. You struggle to know what's real and what isn't real. They're putting down what's important to you. They're being extremely jealous, controlling. They're unpredictable to keep you on your toes. You know, accidentally ruining something that's dear to you. You feel bad for having friends, even of the same sex. They don't accept any responsibility for their actions. You know, they cross your boundaries and ignore your requests. They text you constantly as if they're checking up on you. They talk behind your back to get sympathy from others. They are abusers. Take care of yourself. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and like and share. And share it with someone you think he or she should watch this and listen to this video. Thank you so much. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Amira Rani